And number 1, if measure of angle A was 75 degree in triangle ABC and sine A equal cosine B, its meaning measure of angle A plus measure of angle B will be equal 90 degree. Then measure of angle B equal 90 subtract by 75 equal 15 degrees. This angle will be 15 degree. Choose letter C. Question number 2. If ABC is a right angle triangle at B, we have right angle ABC, right angle triangle at B, and the AB was equal BC, then 10A equal what? This angle will be 45 equal C because we have isosceles triangle. Then 10A will be 1 times 45, it will be equal 1. Question number 3. If AB perpendicular to CD, we have straight line AB perpendicular to CD, and the slope of AB was equal 0. AB equals 0, it's meaning AB parallel to x-axis was x dash, and CD will be parallel to y dash. Then the slope of CD, it will be what? It will be not defined, undefined. It shows letter D about question number 3. Question B. In the opposite figure, the point C is the midpoint of AB. We have the point lies in the midpoint. Here is straight line. Point C in the middle. E and B, and we have here 0. There are equality. And the order of C was 4 and 3. You want to find the coordinate about A and B. We can put here, this point will be A and 0, and this point will be 0 and B. And we can write the rule of point C, 4 and 3, equal 4 is 0 here, plus A divided by 2. Okay, 0 plus A divided by 2. And 0 plus B divided by 2. 0 plus B divided by 2. Okay, then the first projection 4 equal 0 plus A over 2, then A will be equal 8. And second projection 3 equal 0 plus B over 2, B over 2, then the value of B equal 6. We have point A will be 8 and 0, and point B it will be 0 and 6. We have 2 points here. Then we can find the area of triangle. Half product by the base by the height. The base was 8 times the height. Half of 8 equal 4, 4 times 6 equal 24 square units. It's the area about this triangle. Next example shows the correct answer. Number 1, cosine 3x equal half. We want to find the measure of angle. We want to find the value of x. Okay, we know in right angle triangle 30 and 60, here 1 and 2, and here root 3. In right angle triangle about 30 and 60, it will be 1 and 2 and root 3. Then cosine what equal half? Cosine 60. We know cosine 60 equal half. Then 3x will be equal half. Then x will be 1 over 6. The value of x will be 1 over 6. Then you want to find what? Three x equals 60. Sorry. 3x here equals 60. Cosine 36 equal half, then cosine 60 equal half, then 3x will be equal 60, then x will be equal 20 degree. Question number 2. The radius length of circle whose center 0 and 0 and passing through 3 and 4 equal what? Circle and original point here 0 and 0. 3 and 4, we can find the radius equals square root of 4 minus 0 power 2 to be 16, and 3 minus 0 power 2 will be 9. The result will be 5 length unit. Question number 3. The measure of exterior angle of equilateral triangle will be 120 degree. Question letter B. Without using calculator, find the value of x here if 2 sine x equal tan 2 of 60. Subtract twice tan 45. We can draw right angle triangle here, 30 and 60, 1 and 2 and root 3. You must keep this triangle in your mind, okay? And 45, isosceles here, 45, 1, 1 and root 2. Then you can solve this equation by finding the value of right hand side. We can write 2 sine x equal 10 power 2 60. 10 60, it will be opposite over adjacent. Root 3 over 1 or power 2. Subtract 2 times 10 45. 10 45, it will be 1. Then 2 sine x equal 3 subtract by 2. The result will be 1. Then sine x will be 1 over 2. Then x will be equal 30 degree. We can find the angle x. Shift sine half. The result will be 30. Okay, it was question. You want to find x. Okay, question here letter B. Next example. Question number 3, letter A. Find the equation of the straight line which intercepts from the positive parts or two axes, two parts here, 2 and 2. This part and this part, 2 and 3 units from x-axis and y-axis. Then you can write the equation x over 2 plus y over 3 equal 1. Okay, or you can point the point here 2 and 0, and this point will be 0 and 3, and you can find the slope equal 3 minus 0, it will be 3 over 0 minus 2, it will be negative 2 is the slope. Then the equation y equal negative 3 over 2x plus constant. And then you can put any point such that it's another solution. Okay, you can solve in one step here, or you can solve the example by another solution. Put y equal mx plus constant, and we have m here, and y equal negative 3 over x plus constant. You can put any point such that 0 and 3 falling into a straight line here. Y equal negative 3 over 2x plus constant, and then you can put this point in this equation because this point satisfies. Put here y equal 3 and x 0, then the constant will be 3. Then you can write here 3. Okay, it's the equation. You can write y equal negative 3 over 2 x plus 3, or you can write this form about this equation as you like. Okay, it's true. Next example. Where letter B, ABC is right angle triangle at C. Question letter B. We have ABC right angle triangle at C, and EC was 5 centimeter and BC 12 centimeter. Find the value of cosine A, cosine B, subtract Sin A product by sin B. First step, you can write the length of AB. Square root of 12 power 2 subtract by 5 power 2. 12 power 2, it will be 144. Subtract by 25 or plus because we can find the hypotenuse. 169, it will be 13 centimeter. Then we can write cosine A here from this triangle. Cosine A adjacent over hypotenuse 5 over 13, and cosine B adjacent over hypotenuse. Sin A opposite over hypotenuse. Sin B 5 over 13. Then the difference between them equals 0. Okay. Next example, number 4. ABCD is parallelogram where A 3 and 2 and B 4 and negative 5 and C 0 and negative 3. Find the coordinates of the point at which the two diagonals intersect. Then find the coordinate of the point T. Okay, we have parallelogram, and we know the properties about any parallelogram. Each of the sides are equal in length, and each of the angles are equal in measure. We have A, B, C, and D. Okay, point A 3 and 2, and point B 4 and negative 5, and C was 0 and negative 3. Okay, we have two diagonals intersection on point here. I put it M, then M equals 0 plus 3 divided by 2, and negative 3 plus 2 divided by 2, it will be negative half. I will put x point somewhat the order of D. Then the midpoint M 3 over 2 and negative half equal half of 4 and x divided by 2 and negative 3 or 5 negative 5 plus y over 2. Then 3 over 2 equal 4 plus x over 2. We can cancel 2 by 2. And the negative half second projection equals negative 5 plus y over 2. Cancel 2 by 2. Then x equals 3 minus 4. Then the value of x, it will be negative 1. And negative 1 equal negative 5 plus y. Then y equal negative 1 plus 5. It will be positive 4. Then this point will be negative 1 and 4. Okay, question number 4. X equal negative 1. Okay. And y equal 4. It's a point here, negative 1 and 4. You want anything? No, it's exactly result. We don't know anything another. Okay. Next example. Letter P. Without using calculator, find the result of 2 product sin 30 plus 4 cosine 60 equal 10 power 2 60. We can draw right angle triangle here. 30 and 60, 1 and 2 and root 3. Then we can write 2 product by sin 30 will be 1 over 2 plus 4 product cosine 60. Cosine 60 it will be half adjacent over hypotenuse. Tan 60 opposite over hypotenuse over adjacent root 3 over 2. Then cancel it. 4 divided by 2 equal 2 equal 3. We have here. Okay, prove that left hand side equal right hand side. Okay, it's right hand side and it's left hand side. Then right hand side will be equal right hand side equal 3. 0 are equality. Question 5, letter A. Prove that A and B and C are not collinear. Not collinear, it's meaning A, B. If you want to find the slope of, first I will write the point, slope of AB and BC, and they are not equal, then the point A and B and C are not collinear. Okay, you can find the slope about two straight lines. The slope of two straight lines are not equal, it's meaning the 3 points are not collinear. We have A was 5 and 1, and B 3 and -7, and C 1 and 3. We can find slope of AB, -7 minus 1 over 3 minus 5. -7 minus 1, it will be -8, and here 3 minus 5, -2, then divided between them equal 4. Slope of OB, slope of BC, B and C, -7 minus 3 over 3 minus 1. It will be -10 over 2. The result will be -5. Then relation number 1 not equal relation number 2. Then it's meaning the two straight line not, the 3 points not collinear. Understood? They are not collinear. From relation number 1 and relation number 2, then A, B, and C not collinear. Okay, they are not collinear. Next example, number 5, letter B here. Okay, find the equation of straight line perpendicular to EB. We have EB here, straight line perpendicular to EB, and button the point. Okay, straight line perpendicular to EB from its midpoint. Okay, its midpoint here we'll put M, and he give us the point A was 2 and 1, and the point B 4 and 5. Okay, and its midpoint M. 4 plus 2 equals 6. 6 divided by 2 equals 3. 5 plus 1, 6 divided by 2 equals 3. This is the midpoint. Then you can write the equation of straight line. It will be L such that y equal mx plus constant. We know L1 perpendicular to AB. They are perpendicular. Then the slope about straight line L times, we can write M1 product by M2, it will be -1. M1, it's meaning slope 1. Okay, and M2 reverse to slope 2. The product between them equal -1. It's rule. Then you must find the slope of AB. Slope of AB, here we called it what? M2. Okay, I called it M2. Y2 minus Y1, 5 minus 1 over 4 minus 2. 5 minus 1 over 4 minus 2. 5 minus 1 equal 4, and 4 minus 2 equal 2. Then 4 divided by 2 equal 2. Okay, then we can find the slope 1. Raise the inverse about the number 2, it will be 1 over 2, and then change. Okay, change the sign. Then you can write the equation of straight line. Y equal -half product by x plus constant. We want to find the constant C. We know straight line passing through the midpoint. Then this point M will be pointing to the straight line. Pointing to straight line here, you can put x equals 3 and y equal 3. Okay, put x equal 3, then 3 equal -half times 3, it will be -3 over 2 plus constant. Then the constant will be 3 plus 3 over 2. 2 times 3 equals 6, 6 plus 3 equals 9, then the result will be 9 over 2. Then equation will be -half x plus 9 over 2. okay